Do you have any experience with cooking?
I can fry an egg.
For me, I can slice and I can walk.
Yung gagawin natin ngayon, this is called tinutungan. And this is one of the very native dish of this area. Ready to start?
Yes.
Okay, so first is we will smoke the coconut shaving.
Tinutungan ay galing sa salitang Bicolano na tunong, na ibig sabihin ay sinunog. Ang sabi ng locals sa Bakakay Albay, tinutungang manok was calmly cooked after a devastating typhoon hits the region. Kinukuha nila ang mga nahulog na niyog at dahil walang kuryente, ginagamit nila ang uling para sunugin ang niyog bago pikain ang gata. Ito ang nagbibigay ng smoky flavor sa dish na ito.
So this is called piga.
Bigger,
Piga.
bigger,
Piga.
bigger,
It's okay, Jisoo. Cute ka pa rin kahit hindi mo masabi ang tiga.
bigger, bigger, bigger.
Matapos makuha ang tinutong na gata,
Lagyan natin yung chicken. Okay po? Yes, dahan-dahan lang.
Ready?
Yes.
All the things.
All. Yeah, that's around that's more or less half kilo chicken. Okay, now it's I think it's half cooked already.
Okay.
igasa ang bawang at sibuyas sa mantika.
You can mix in the coconut milk.
Our cake.
Yes.
Yeah. This is cake.
No, this is the milk.
So the milk.
Yeah, the milk will cook
How many?
with all of it. Yeah, this is already and then we will reduce the coconut milk. And one of the special ingredient for this one is
Lemon.
a lemongrass. Yes,
What it called?
lemongrass.
No, in Tagalog.
In Tagalog, ang tawag, tanglad. Tanglad. Yes.
Isunod ng ilagay ang papaya at pagtapos ay kakanggata at patis.
Because in this, in Korea, it was planned about the cooking competition. Yeah,
Culinary.
yeah,
Yeah.
on N something, you know.
Yeah. So that means if you're a guy that knows how to cook,
Yeah.
it's an extra bogey point.
Exactly.
Okay, let's switch now.
Sarap naman.
Here in Bicol, we put the chili last. We don't want to overcook it.
From history, our girls, I don't know, they like to spice your lot.
And then the last one is the calamansi.
Calamansi.
Yeah. And the mix.
Thank you so much, Chef, for this.
Maraming salamat po siya.
Maraming salamat, Chef.
Okay, perfect!
So hungry.
Ang sarap!
I hope your
prepared all the
guys'
food?
cooking is good.
Wow! I love this!
This is what we prepared for you guys.
You made this. Okay, I will take a picture specifically of this because you made it.
Kamusta naman yung experience ng pagpapalengke at pagluto?
Oh yeah, it was, but actually similar with Korea. And I like the market ambience. Fresh ingredients.
Yes.
Yeah. And then we did it. The chef was the nice chef. He lived here for whole life.
Yeah.
So he explained the original way to cook.
And it looks beautiful and it smells.
Correct! Parang pasabog yung ginawa nila, ha?
Busog na. Time to explore Bakakay.